Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, we want to tell you how you can log into your VNF employee account. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Open your default browser. In the address bar above, please type in BNSF employee login. This may take a few moments, but you'll find this type of interface where you can proceed to the second link. Click the second link, and you will advance to this type of interface where you will be asked about your credentials. Enter your credentials. Type in your employee ID, user ID, and password in the designated fields. Click the Login button to log in. If you haven't logged in yet, you can register here from this button too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in the upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon so you never miss an update. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.